Hey, content creators! Want to make stunning AI videos for YouTube in just 3 minutes? I'm going to show you how to do it step by step using only generated clips. Let's dive right in. First, you need to choose an AI video generator. There are many options out there like Synthesia, Pictory, or DeepBrain. These tools can create high-quality videos from simple text input. For this tutorial, I'll use Synthesia. Step 1. Write your script. Keep it short and sweet. Remember, we're aiming for a quick and efficient process. Your script should be engaging and to the point. Once you've got your script ready, upload it to Synthesia. Next, choose your AI avatar. Synthesia offers a variety of avatars to select from. Pick one that matches your brand's vibe. You can customize the avatar's appearance and voice to make it more personal. Step 2. Generate the video. After uploading your script and selecting your avatar, it's time to let the AI do its magic. Synthesia will create a video with your chosen avatar reading your script. This process usually takes just a few minutes. While the video is being generated, let's talk about background music and sound effects. Adding the right music can make a huge difference in the overall feel of your video. Websites like Epidemic Sound or Artlist have great royalty-free music libraries. Pick a track that matches the tone of your video. Step 3. Edit and fine-tune. Once your AI-generated video is ready, download it and add it to your video editor. Tools like Adobe Premiere Pro or Final Cut Pro are excellent choices. Trim any unnecessary parts and sync the background music with your video. You can also add text overlays, transitions, and other effects to make it more dynamic. Finally, step 4. Export and upload. Export your finished video in the highest quality possible. Head over to your YouTube channel and upload it. Don't forget to optimize your video title, description, and tags for better visibility. And there you have it. A stunning AI-generated video for YouTube, created in just 3 minutes. Remember, the key to success is consistency and creativity. Keep experimenting with different styles and formats to keep your audience engaged. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more content creation tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.